Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat baka net foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Noi lam juga United Democratic Party buat Bindo Lanong ulapan pau kejing sengo persya Halor kejing Aidaw jong Tnat election ke jela Halor kejing sya Ujor jong menteri ke sorkar jela ubat Dasakhiat lamarie ulang ru MLA jong bawati konstituensi ha kebala keno bu lasam Pisa kipat ba kanong krem konstituensi hadian ba Tnat election ke lapan pau bakam la ban le namar bakam model code of conduct kam pat rekam satya ha kejing krem bila patai kubor ba Bindo loong ba umya menjur setia ya kejing Aidaw jong Tnat election kum mencu pentip hang ni ba Tnat election ke lapha ya ke Ujor sya ke office jong ke deputy commissioner ke balong ru ke district election officer ban bishar Halor ni jing sya Ujor jong ba Dasakhiat pha lamari.
Well, we try to educate the people. Even a complaint has been filed against the person who has been openly distributing money, openly buying votes. Some leaders of the constituency, they filed a complaint before the CEO in Meghalaya. The question of, the code of conduct is one thing that we need to look into it. Now, before election, a certain time bound is there where election is announced, and from the day the election is announced, the code of election conduct also, prevails. Does it mean that you commit a crime now and you stop doing it the moment the code of conduct comes to play? So, is it permissible that a person who can buy people right, left and center and openly buying people, is it permissible? No. I think the election department is mistaken. Come to effect only when the code of election conduct begins. Crime is a crime. Violation of code of conduct is a violation. Now or after. I came to know that the stand of the state election department is that since the code of election conduct has not yet been announced, it appears as if you can do anything. I don't agree to that, certainly. And no one will agree to that. Action should be taken. You should call explanation. You should begin the procedures, the normal procedures that are there in place. And I don't know why. I asked from these people, those who filed complaint. So they have not replied even to them from the election department. They told me that they are going to straight to the chief election authorities in Delhi if they do not get any reply from the state election department. Let us see. We tell people are not, in league with the violation of the code of conduct. You give money and we tell them, take. We have nothing against the people. Poor people, somehow they get the money and they are benefited. And why should we blame the people? They are not gone to demand or ask for money. So therefore the penalty lies on the person who commits the offense, not on the people who just get the benefit. So therefore I have not spoken anything against the people. Why they are taking people? The poor people. When somebody comes and give, why not? So therefore the entire responsibility and all that has to be borne by the person who commits the crime. That's my point.